Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to report a fake item on eBay. To report a fake item on eBay, open up your eBay application or go to ebay.com and log into your account. From the home page, find the listing of the item you suspect is fake and simply tap on it to open up the info section. Now you will see the info section for the product. Go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner and in the pop-up click on report this item. You can then go ahead and select the report category from the drop-down, select any one options from the menu and select a region for reporting. From here, simply choose the region why you are trying to report the item, and then you can also go ahead and select the detailed region from the list provided. And finally, after writing a brief description, click on Submit Report. eBay will review the listing and then take actions if it violates their policy. And that is how you can report fake items on eBay. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.